I didn't really want to make this video, but here we are. Hello everybody, take a seat. We need to talk. I know some of you are going to be upset, but I'm here to explain. I'm here to explain what is going on. Let me just start by saying I'm a bit of a Volkswagen tragic. Really, you wouldn't think I am. I don't think I am. It turns out I am, because I've had a Mark III Golf, a Mark IV GTI, a Mark V GTI, a Mark VI Golf R, a Mark VII Golf R. Now, a lot of you, millions of you, it turns out, followed the build of my Mark VII Golf R that we did with the Revo kits. That car was incredible. I'm saying was already. That's how sad this video is. The car is wonderful. Let's rip the Band-Aid off. So it's gone. The good part of that is that it did go to someone in my extended family, so it's still around, so I still see it and get to drive it and stuff, which is cool. But I am kind of disappointed that it's gone. But I just yesterday met someone who said, I saw your video and I bought a Volkswagen Golf R the same as yours, and I've ordered all the Revo stuff because I saw your videos. And there are so many people that have told me that same story that I don't want those people particularly to feel like they kind of bought it because I thought it was awesome and now I don't own it anymore. So I thought I'd explain why I don't have that car anymore. If you just want one car that does everything really, really, really well, I reckon in the affordable range, you kind of get two choices. Marty and I actually agree on this. A Forester Turbo one or a Golf R. Now, a Golf R is like comfy, fast, safe, affordable. Some people go, you know, there's not enough room, then get a Golf R wagon. Same thing, but more space in the back. Now, I saw someone on Facebook last week go, Golfs are just a bit dull. I can tell you, when they're going 0 to 100 in 2-point-something seconds, that's not dull. The car is just so reliable and good every single time you use it that you start to go, it's kind of lacks a bit of personality. Now, I'm not saying that your car needs to be breaking down all the time, but when your car's really fast, it's really safe, it's really reliable, it's really anonymous, sometimes it just doesn't have that zing. You know, once you modify it, it does. And obviously there's lots of wild Golf Rs and GTIs and stuff out there. But I started to think to myself, like, if I could list all of the parts of a Golf R, like if I could list, and I wrote these down, if I could list the things that I think make the car good, this is what I've got on my little list here, okay? So, Golf R, they're practical. They're relatively cheap. They're quiet. They're anonymous, you know, which is kind of good. You know, if I drive around in my Mini or my 240Z, like everyone following around and honking their horns, and I love saying g'day, but sometimes you just need to go and buy some hot chips. They got back seats. They got a decent boot. They're comfortable. They are front-wheel drive bias, all-wheel drive, Haldex, you know, whatever, but there's all-wheel drive there when you need them. They're built by robots, so I guess there's some precision there. And they are just everywhere. So parts are easy to get. People know about them, lots of forums, lots of support. Now, if you get the opposite of this list, which is impractical, expensive, loud, head-turning, no back seats, no boot, not comfortable, rear-wheel drive, and incredibly rare, then you get my new car. This is about as far from a Golf that you can get. It is incredibly strange, very rare. I'm looking forward to showing you this very strange vehicle. But I feel like some of you are going to like it, but some of you are going to think that's a little bit strange. But anyway, that's what we try and do on this show. We always try and mix it up, do interesting things. And look, I've been looking at these for a while and finally went, you know what? If I sell the Golf, I can get one. So there it is. Thank you, everybody who has been watching the whole Golf series. If you do want to check out the Golf series, of course, click on the thing. And there is a Mark 8 GTI and a Mark 8 Golf R coming out in the next year or two. So it'll be interesting to see what happens there. Thank you very much, everybody. See you next time. And, yep, go chop every single thing in our garage with this.